back to my channel. Good morning. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so happy you're here. Today's video is another snow day vlog because you guessed it, I'm at home. It is a snow day. It is currently Friday, and if you guys follow me over on Instagram, you guys know I put up a poll last night. I was like, what do you think the chances are that we're gonna get a snow day, because it was supposed to snow last night. We didn't really know how much, but as you guys saw, it ended up snowing a really good amount, and apparently the streets are really bad. So I'm pretty surprised. Actually, I thought if anything we would just get like a delayed start day today, but we got a snow day. So I vlogged my last snow day for you guys. I'll try to link it right here, and you guys seemed to really enjoy it. And I think it was just men and their motorcycles. I thought it was just really fun to like hang out with you guys at home and just like chill, and yeah, I just wanted to film another one. So I slept in. It's like 9 in the morning. It's super snowy outside, so I don't think I'm leaving the house today. I don't want to risk driving on the roads. So honestly, super similar day. I need to work out, so I'm going to do a MadFit workout, which a lot of you guys said you also do. Don't mind me getting back into bed. MadFit workouts, and oh, I just love her, and I love her workouts so much. So I want to do like a leg day workout today, maybe also like an arm day, because her videos are really quick, like 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and so you can do like 2. So I'm going to do a workout today. I got my green juice. You guys already know, anytime that I have like a slow morning, I like to take my time and drink my greens in the morning, and I'm just gonna chill in bed for a little bit. I'm reading a new book. I'm reading a book called No Exit. If you guys have heard of it, it's by Taylor Adams. It's a thriller book, and they actually have the movie out right now on Hulu, which I saw, and that is what made me get the book, because I didn't want to watch the movie first. I love reading the book first and then watching the movie. And so I'm gonna read this. I'm only like a couple chapters in, but it probably won't take me very long to finish it, especially if I have so much time this weekend, because we have a 3-day weekend. Kyle's in St. Louis, so I'm home alone, and I'm just hanging out with Nala, and we're just gonna have like a super chill, fun weekend. We're going to binge watch some shows, read some books. We're gonna go to hot yoga on Sunday. I need to clean the house, and we're just gonna hang out together because you guys are my friends. So bringing you guys with me. So I'm gonna sit here, drink my green juice. I'm probably just gonna like watch some YouTube or something, and then eventually I'm gonna get up.
Wants his food, and today's video is sponsored by the Farmer's Dog. Love the brand as a whole because they deliver fresh, real dog food to your door. You don't.
Okay, so far I really like this book. I just feel like I'm watching a scary movie whenever I'm reading it, so that makes me really excited to actually watch the movie, because I love scary thriller movies. It is about a girl who gets stuck at a like rest stop or a truck stop, and she finds a little girl in the back of a car, and so she has to figure out like what to do. So that's all I'll tell you. That's just, I mean, that's literally what's on the back of the book, so I'm not giving away anything. But I am really enjoying it so far. Also, I am grateful for friends who share their books with me. A friend of mine, she posted that she finished these 2 books and asked if anyone wanted them, and I was like, ooh, I definitely do want to read them. I have not read nonfiction books in a hot minute, but I would love to like add these in to read a couple chapters, because I feel like I can multitask like reading 2 books at one time. Green Lights by Matthew McConaughey. It's just like his life story, a memoir, so I am really excited to read this. And then God Bless This Mess by Hannah Brown. I love Hannah Brown whenever she was on The Bachelorette, and I just think she's like the cutest thing ever, so definitely going to read these as well, and I'll let you guys know what I think of them after I read them. Also on the agenda this week is to do my nails. You guys, they are so bad. I ripped off my fake nails last night because I had one that broke. So when one breaks, I just rip them all off, and you can see how bad they look right now. I'm embarrassed. So I'm gonna sit down and do an at-home manicure, I think, this weekend. Just do some gel. As you guys know, I love getting my nails done at the salon, but every now and then I like to just do a at-home manicure. It saves me a lot of money, and I honestly find it really therapeutic just sitting down and doing my nails. I have been using a brand called Manicurist, which is a brand of bio-sourced nail polish and care products to do my at-home manicures. I love what they stand for. They're a Parisian green beauty brand that was created for women that deserve to have access to clean and green beauty products, which I love. They select bioavailable alternatives to traditional nail polish ingredients. Their gel and nail polish formulas are plant-based, sourcing ingredients from potato, wheat, cotton extracts, and are 84% plant-based without compromising on efficacy, pigment, or finish. Their award-winning Green Flash range is the world's first at-home plant-based gel manicure routine, and as you see here, I use a LED lamp to cure the manicure, which will last for up to 10 days, and you can remove it just like a normal nail polish with their gentle acetone-free nail polish remover to prevent any damage to your nails. It is the perfect solution that allows you to save time, change the color of your nails more frequently, and at a much lower cost than a normal nail salon. As you guys see here, I am applying their base coats, and then I chose this really pretty pink color, and basically after you apply your base coat, you cure it in their LED lamp for about 60 seconds, and then you can go ahead and apply your color. And after every coat, I cure it in the LED lamp for about 60 more seconds, and then I top it off with their Green Flash top coat, and then I just put it back in to cure for another 60 seconds. It's so quick, so easy, and after you have a manicure that looks like it was professionally done. I love Manicurist and the kit that I used today, and if you guys would like to check out Manicurist, I will have them linked down below in the description box.
Here's to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter.
Alright, you guys, I've had a very productive morning. I have filmed a video, I filmed a little skincare routine, I cleaned the kitchen, did my nails like you guys saw, and I am starving. It's going on 1:30 and I need to sit down and eat and just like chill for a little bit. So I'm gonna make some avocado toast probably. That's like what sounds so good to me right now. Also just threw in some laundry, so we're getting stuff done today, but I'm gonna sit down and eat.
It's too late not to let it go, and that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. We had a good run, don't say we didn't. I was your first love, and you were my first one. Cheers to all the memories, the venom and the remedies, yeah. Promise I won't forget, yeah. Maybe it's something in the water, yeah. Or maybe we just hit the end of the road, yeah. Right now it doesn't even matter, yeah. It's too late not to let it go, and that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry.
Okay, kind of got a lot going on right now. I'm really hungry, if you can't tell. I made 2 pieces of avocado toast with a fried egg on top. Just put that truffle seasoning or sauce on. It's so good, you can't have it without it. Everything but the bagel seasoning, some red pepper. I also cut up a chicken thigh that we had just because I want some extra protein, and I'm really, really hungry, so that sounded good. And then just gonna have a side of berries.
It's time to say bye, baby, bye.
Alright, just gonna sit down, eat my lunch, also fill this up with lemon water, and then I'm just gonna watch a show or something. Okay, little change of plans. I just spent the last couple hours editing a video and I got off the phone with Kyle and I decided to drive to St. Louis today, like right now, because his birthday's on Sunday and I originally was just gonna like celebrate with him next week, but he really wants me to come there, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I just started packing a little bit because I panicked. I was like, oh my gosh, I don't even know what I'm gonna wear because I think we're gonna go out tonight and then again tomorrow. So I've got to pack for that. We're going out tonight. We're gonna do dinner tomorrow for his birthday. This turned into like a whole weekend, you guys. I was going to stay home literally and do nothing this weekend and just celebrate with him next week, but he like made all these plans and he wants me to come for them, so I don't want to miss out, so I want to go. So I'm just going to like pack up really quick and head out the door. Okay, I just changed really quick, wearing this super cute puffer vest. Got this off of Amazon. It's like a chocolatey color. Just wearing a sweatshirt underneath, some leggings, and Converse.
There's no time, I wanna make more time.
We made it, me and Nala girl. She gets so excited. Kyle always makes fun of me because I say that I think she can always tell whenever we're like turning on the street to home. She's freaking out. He's like, no, she just is a dog, but I think she can tell what street we're on at all times. I think she's very smart. And she loves Kyle's house because Kyle's parents are her grandparents and they spoil the heck out of her, and his parents love her so much, and she loves them, so she always gets so excited to go over there. So we're gonna go in. Kyle just called me and asked me if I want any Starbucks, which is good because I was thinking if we go out tonight, I'm tired, I need caffeine, so I think we're gonna drink some coffee. I think they're making dinner too, but I ate a late lunch like you guys saw. It was really big too, so I'm not gonna eat a lot. And then I think we're gonna go out tonight with some friends. Kyle's birthday is on Sunday, and then we have another friend of ours, one of Kyle's best friends, whose birthday is also on Sunday. They share the same birthday, so usually every year we like go out and celebrate all together. So I think we're gonna go out. We have this really cool place near us called the Rec Hall or Rec Center. Rec Hall, I think, where they have like a bunch of games for like adults, like drinking games. So it's like beer pong, but it's with like giant trash cans and like kickballs that you play with, and like giant Jenga, like axe throwing, all that fun stuff. And so I think that's where we're going tonight. And then tomorrow night I think we're having dinner with his family. So I'm not gonna vlog a lot around Kyle and his family just because they don't want to be on camera, and I never vlog people who don't want to be on camera, especially without asking. So, and also it's just like, it's nice to check out whenever you're with family. So I'll just get some footage here and there and share with you guys what we do this weekend, and then I'll check in with you guys later. Hey guys, okay, it's a few days later. I obviously did not get any content whenever I went back home. Honestly, we just hung around the house most of the time, besides Friday night whenever we went out. I should have gotten a little footage of whenever we went out, but I just honestly didn't want to even bring my camera because I didn't have a purse or anything with me, so didn't want to carry it around all night. But we just went out with some friends, celebrated Kyle's birthday and a friend of his birthday, and it was really fun. And then Saturday we just hung out with Kyle's family at Kyle's house. We made dinner. We watched a lot of Yellowstone together because his parents love Yellowstone too, so we just like all binged it pretty much the entire night. And it's currently Sunday. It is Kyle's birthday today. However, he left to go on a hike, so he's long gone. He loves hiking. I've talked about it before. He often goes on like long hikes by himself. I'm not like a huge hiker, so although he does invite me on these trips, I don't normally go, especially if they're like super long. Like the one he's going on today is 27 miles, so no thanks, not my kind of fun. And this is gonna be like a couple day hike for him, so he's not gonna be back for a couple days. And then we have a really big week ahead of us. So I am actually only back in Columbia for the next couple days. Talked about that before, and then I'll be going back to St. Louis for Kyle's surgery, and then we have match day on Friday, if I haven't mentioned that in this vlog yet. go watch my last vlog if you're confused. So yeah, I am home and it's going on 4 o'clock. I'm going to unpack some of my stuff, just like do some laundry, tidy up the house a little bit. I have a lot of work to do tonight. I have a lot of emails to catch up on, some editing. I have like 2 videos I need to edit. I want to get a quick Mad Fit workout in though before I do that, and shower, wash my hair, and all that like Sunday night routine stuff that you guys already know that I do. So I'm gonna do a quick workout, shower, wash my hair, and all that, and then I'm going to spend most of the rest of the night just editing and getting some work done. Back today, we are going to be doing a 20-minute weighted booty workout.
Saw you paint a picture of a face that wasn't even close to mine. I know I shouldn't be in love, but it's so hard to move on. You haven't changed, you stayed the same. But if you did, I'd still love you anyway. Give you the world like I promised I would.
It's a couple hours later now, and I have been really busy editing, just getting a lot of work done. That's the thing with social media. I don't really have like Monday through Friday hours. I pretty much I'm doing a little bit of work or a lot of work every single day. But I mean, the good part is that I can kind of set my own hours. Like Saturday, I decided to just like check out and be present with Kyle and his family and stuff to celebrate his birthday. So I didn't vlog, didn't even like think about doing any type of work. But that is what I spend like majority of my time doing when I am home or when I have free time. But I love it. So anyway, it is going on 6 o'clock. I am going to eat dinner fairly soon, but I'm going to go ahead and end off this vlog here just because I'm not really doing anything else the rest of the night. Just probably going to finish editing some videos, eat some dinner, maybe watch a show or something, and then get in bed like pretty early. I want to go to bed by like 9ish since I have to be up for work early in the morning, and I will definitely be vlogging this week because this is a very big week. Kyle and I have match day on Friday, which if you don't know, Kyle finds out where he's matching for residency. I talk about it on like every video, so I'm sure you guys know. If you're new around here, check out a few of my past videos and I talk all about it. But we find out on Friday where we're moving, so it's gonna be a really big week for us, and I'm planning on vlogging like all of it, so definitely stay tuned. By the time you're watching this video, I've already announced where we got matched, so follow me over on Instagram if you guys are curious, and I'll leave my handle right here. It's always linked down below as well if you guys want to stay updated. Don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any future videos and so that you can come along with me on this whole moving journey. I don't know in the present moment where we're moving to, but you guys probably know if you follow me on Instagram. It just is the timing of these videos going up. It's kind of crazy. I'm like speaking to my future self right now because I don't know. Currently we found out in 4 days, which is so crazy. So anyway, enough rambling. I will talk to you all very soon in my next video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.
Even though you wouldn't do the same.